Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're receiving this error code 43 or if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. The first step is to roll back graphics card driver. To roll back, make a right click in the start menu, go to device manager, expand display adapter. Now over here you will find your AMD graphic card. In my case it's NVIDIA. This is just an example. Make a right click on AMD graphic card and then go to properties, go to driver tab, and then if rollback driver is highlighted over here, click on rollback driver, and once the rollback is done, you have to restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. If that does not work, the next step is you can go to AMD website. The link is provided in the video description. Go to AMD website, select your graphic card from the list, make sure you select your graphic card, and then click on previous versions. Select your operating system. If you have Windows 11, select Windows 11. If you have Windows 10, select Windows 10. And then you can install the older graphic card driver, maybe 26.6.1 or maybe 26.5.2. For me, this has worked. So you can download it, install it, restart your computer, and then you can check. Still not working? Use AMD Cleanup Utility to uninstall AMD graphic card driver. Now for this, you can search in Google and then go to the AMD Cleanup Utility website, go to the official website, scroll down. Here you can see AMD Cleanup Utility for Windows. You can run this exe file and install it, and then you can follow the steps from this website to uninstall graphic card driver. Once the uninstall is complete, you have to restart your computer. Restart is a must, and after the system restart, you can install older version of AMD graphic card driver. Now for this, again, you have to go to the same website. You have to select your operating system, select, and then go to select the graphic card, go to previous version, select your operating system, and then you can install 26.6.1 or maybe the older version. Download it, install it, restart your PC, and then check. And then still not working, you can uninstall AMD graphic card driver and then restart your PC. Make a right click in the start menu, go to device manager, expand display adapter, select your AMD graphic card, make a right click, click on uninstall device, put a check on attempt to remove the driver for this device, click on uninstall. Once the uninstall is done, you have to restart your computer, and when you restart the computer, it should automatically roll back to the previous version, and then you can stop the automatic update. You can go to you can open the run box, type in run in Windows search box, open run, and then you can type in Sysdm.cpl, click on OK, and then you can go to hardware, click on device installation settings, and over here you can select no, and then click on save changes, and then you can check. If it is not rolling back to previous version, you can again go to AMD website and you can install the 26.6.1 or 26.5.2 and then download it, install it, restart your PC, and then check. Now in future, whenever you want to undo this, you can always go to this. You can open this in run box, and then once you open it, now you can go to hardware. In future, whenever you want to roll back, you can just select yes and then save changes. So that should help you to fix the error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.